With an energy investment of 2 ADP, glucose is cut by an enzyme, turning into 2,3 carbon molecules.
A series of chemical reactions rearranges the atoms of these molecules, releasing electrons and enough energy to convert 4 ADP to 4 ATP.
Go.
A series of chemical reactions rearranges the atoms of these molecules, releasing electrons and enough energy to convert 4 ADP to 4 ADP. So, has that. And then the NAD, when the electrons come in, it becomes NADH, right? And then the phosphates fly in to the front, and then these get converted here. So now it has 2 phosphates right there. And then has 2 ADP on each side and 2 ATP on each side.
In the end, you have 2 pyruvic acids, each containing 3 carbons and a net gain of 2 ATPs. Before entering the cycle, pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl CoA, releasing the CO2 waste in the process.
Now the 2-carbon cycle or whatever, CoA, enters the cycle when it joins with a 4-carbon molecule. This joins together. Get that out of here, and it makes that 6-carbon molecule citric acid.
In a series of chemical reactions, citric acid is rearranged and loses 2 carbons, forming more CO2 waste.
Energy is released during this transformation, forming 1 ATP per pyruvic acid, so 2 ATP total.
Many electrons are released and then captured by the electron carriers NADH and FADH2.
The remaining 4-carbon molecule can now bind with another acetyl CoA, thus allowing the cycle to continue over and over.
The NADH and the FADH2 drop off the electrons collected from the glycolysis and Krebs cycles. As the electrons move down the chain of protein, hydrogen ions are pumped from a low to high concentration across the membrane. Electrons continue to move down the chain and are attracted to the oxygen, which is the final electron acceptor.
Oxygen, hydrogen, and electrons combine to make water waste. Shoot.
Good job.
To reach equilibrium, hydrogen flows from high to low concentration through a specialized enzyme called ATP synthase. As hydrogen flows through ATP synthase, spins and uses the energy to attach phosphates onto ADP, creating up to 34 ADP.